If you've ever wondered how to quickly create an organization chart in ClickUp for your team or business, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to visualize your team's structure in ClickUp's whiteboard feature. Whether you're mapping out a new department, clarifying roles, or just wanting a crisp visual for your next meeting. Let's get started and I'll walk you through each step nice and easy. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is your main hub in ClickUp, the place where all your projects, tasks, and documents live. If you're already logged in, you'll see your workspace as soon as you open ClickUp. Don't worry if it looks busy. That's normal. Just take a moment to get oriented. Now locate and select the project you want to make an org chart for. Maybe it's your marketing team, your latest product launch, or even your startup's core crew. Picking the right project ensures your chart is where your team expects it, and sometimes makes permissions and sharing easier down the line. Once you're inside the project, look towards the top or the sidebar for the View option. ClickUp lets you switch between different views like List, Board, or Calendar, but for this chart, we want something visual and flexible. Click View and you'll see a menu pop up with more choices. Here you're looking specifically for Whiteboard. The whiteboard is ClickUp's freeform drawing canvas, perfect for brainstorming, mapping processes, or in this case, organizing your org chart. If you don't see whiteboard listed, make sure your workspace settings allow it. It's worth checking if you're on certain plans or have restricted access. Once your whiteboard opens, you'll be greeted by a blank canvas. This is where we build our chart. Don't worry if it feels empty or unfamiliar at first. Just like a physical whiteboard, the possibilities are endless. Start by grabbing a shape, usually a rectangle or rounded box from the toolbar. These shapes will represent people or positions in your organization, so think CEO at the top down to managers, then team members. Click on your chosen shape, drag it onto the board, and type the name or title inside. For example, let's say we're building a chart for a small startup. I'd start with the founder at the top, then add a line of managers below, followed by team leads or individual contributors. If you already have a structure written out in another document, you can copy and paste names or titles right into these shapes to save time. Connecting your shapes is what turns a bunch of boxes into an actual org chart. Look for the connector tool. It's often depicted as a line or arrow. Drag from one shape to another to draw relationships. For instance, drag a line from your CEO down to the heads of various departments, then from those managers to their respective teams. These connections make it easy for anyone viewing the chart to see the hierarchy and reporting lines. Take a few moments here to arrange the shapes so the chart is readable and clear. Spread them out, make sure lines don't overlap too much, and keep the hierarchy visible. Don't worry if things get messy. You can always reposition items until it feels just right. And that's it. You've built an org chart in ClickUp's whiteboard with just a handful of steps. This tool is fantastic for sharing your organization's structure, onboarding new team members, or even planning out future growth. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and share any questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm happy to help you troubleshoot or dive deeper. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.